make a Chatpata snack, Namkeen, or a mixture made with bitter gourd. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Jaj's kitchen. Let's make this mixture together. For this recipe, we need 4 pieces of bitter gourd. Clean the bitter gourd and make into thin slices. 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix well. Rest for 20 minutes. By the time, thinly sliced red onions 2 pieces. Fry in hot oil until golden in color. Drain all the oil, remove it. 1 cup of peanut, fry on the same oil. Drain it and remove it. Few curry leaves, crispy fried, drain all the oil. 5 pieces of dry red chilies, drain the oil, keep it aside. The bitter gourd we marinated, squeeze all the water from it. Place on a plate 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Coat the bitter gourd with the cornstarch. Fry it on the same oil. Make sure you separate the bitter gourd, not sticking each other. When it's crispy and crunchy, drain all the oil. Onto a bowl, add the crispy onions, peanuts, fried curry leaves. Crush the dry red chilies, the fried crispy bitter gourd. Now we have to make the spice mix. For the spice mix, onto a bowl, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Combine well like this. Sprinkle on top of the bitter gourd mix. Combine well. Sprinkle it again and mix it again. Mix well. Make sure you use all the mix. So you will get a beautiful bitter gourd mixture or namkeen. Let's enjoy and eat. Don't miss out. To give me a support by subscribing my channel, Jaj's Kitchen. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one?